you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Good Vibe Scribe for January. Do you want to see what is in the January 2020 box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my January box just arrived. I'm like, wait, this is January and I'm still in December? That's awesome. So I have a sneak peek of what January's box is going to be. I'm gonna unbox this, then I will tell you a little about it and tell you what my promo code is for this box and all of that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get in here. And it says Good Vibes inside. So let's cut the tape. So when you open the tape, or when you open the box, it says, welcome to the tribe. And then when you open it up, that's what it looks like. And there's a Christmas card. If this is supposed to be January, the Christmas card is already off the top, just throwing me off. But maybe it's just for me to have since I'm getting it now before Christmas. I don't know. But it says, Merry Christmas. And then it says, and a very happy new year. XOXO, Good Vibe Scribe team. So that is cool. Now you have the card. The card does go over the products, but it doesn't go over pricing for the products unless they change something. And no, I don't see pricing anywhere. So then when you remove that, this is what it looks like inside. So the top looks like a dish towel, which is, hold on, there's all these little purple things all over it. They're still all over it, but here is a dish towel and it looks like it says, be grateful, eat more vegetables, help others, be present, play outside, pay it forward. I mean, those are really good words of encouragement, that's for sure. And it is a dish towel. So there's that. And this does say, be grateful, eat more vegetables, help others, be present, play outside, and pay it forward. And do it all while spending more time at home with your loved ones. Each 100% cotton towel is printed by hand, one at a time, and gets softer with every wash. So there's that. We have a dish towel. There's that. Okay, so there's item number 1. Number 2 is these are going around, or they have been going around in subscription boxes normally in the summertime. This is probably good if you have kids or you're into sports or you're at the beach in the summer and you need to just wipe your body down to feel fresh. I'm not sure it being in a January's box, but you have one gigantic showerless body wipe, peppermint palmetto. So there's that guy. So there's the second item. Then we have is by the same brand, Busy Beauty, and this is a instant clean dry shampoo, oat and rice starch. I don't use dry shampoo, so I will set this aside for a future giveaway and hopefully it'll go to somebody who does use dry shampoo. It's just something that I don't need. I don't use any dry shampoo. So there's that. And then we have is Stress Relief Shower Steamers, quantity 3. Ooh, I love me a good shower steamer. So I'm really glad to get this. Oh, there's a lot of powder going on in there. So it looks like it probably came off from just bouncing around. Let's see. This is a plastic container and ooh, that smells like menthol. Whew. Hopefully it smells better in the shower. Maybe that's where they're getting the stress relief, because that just smells like menthol, just like straight menthol. My suggestion to this company would be to package them differently, because them bouncing around in a plastic container is losing a lot of the actual shower steamer, because as you can tell, all of that is just loose powder and you can't do anything with that. So you're actually losing a lot of the product by it bouncing around like that. And yeah, so there's 3 of those. I will put one in the shower tonight and see how it works. I do love a good shower steamer.
And unfortunately, I did not have very good luck with these. They just basically just disintegrated. No scent, no steam, no nothing really came off of them. They just disintegrated like they were never there.
I just think that the company who made this should come up with a better design, because that's just a lot of wasted material down there. So then the next item right here is green tree jewelry made in the USA. And it looks like they are a pair of earrings. And I'm sorry, but that's just not my style. I would not wear an earring that looks like the world or a globe. That's just my own personal preference. Maybe there's somebody out there that would, and if so, then I could put these in a future giveaway. But I personally would not wear an earring that looks like that. Made from sustainable sourced wood and 90% recycled display card. Lightweight, laser cut wood, stained with water-based dye. Ear stud is silver plated brass, hypoallergenic, and applied with a non-toxic water-based glue, stainless steel silver plated ear nut included. Ear nut? Oh, maybe the little clear thing that holds the earring backing on. I'm not sure. But I mean, they're made out of wood. I guess that's kind of like a cute little idea. But if it was something that was a better design on it, I think would be a better fit for this box. Not a world, but who knows? They normally have amazing boxes. I just don't know about this particular item right here. And then lastly, they have this water bottle, and they had two different styles. They had the one with the palm trees, then they had a pink one that had pineapples on it. Oh, yep, they're both right here. There was the pineapples on there, and I'm really glad that I got this one because I'm not a pinky kind of girl, but this would be the one that I would choose between those two. I do have quite a few of these because I do get a lot of boxes, but this particular bottle is a nice bottle, and this says, this new year, aim to remain hydrated as a part of your resolution to be healthy. This LC 17 ounce palm leaf or pineapple water bottle will help you by keeping your drink cold for 24 hours or hot for 12 hours. It's double wall insulated, stainless steel, and BPA free. Care instructions: hand wash, not recommended for dishwasher, do not microwave. So I do like this particular print. So that is really cute. So that is everything that came in this January box, you guys. We have the water bottle. We have the 3 shower steamers. And I do like that it's a shower steamer and not a bath bomb, because not everybody takes baths. But I'm just gonna throw it out there because I'm always honest with you guys. I think whoever made this, I mean, it's not Good Vibe Scribe's fault, but whoever made this should come up with a better packaging, because that's just way too much product being wasted in there. And then here is the dry shampoo. Again, that's not something that I use, but a lot of people do. And then here's this earrings that this is like the item that I'm thrown off by. I'm not sure what the world represents or why they chose this particular item, but there's the earrings. Hopefully you guys do like them. And then here is one gigantic body wipe if you need to wipe your body and feel clean. So that is everything that came in this particular. Oh, and the towel. I'm so sorry. And the dish towel. So that is everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 items in this box. And again, this one is for January. So if you would like to know a little bit more about Good Vibe Scribe, you can use my code. They made me a new code for this box, which would be SheCrafty1. That will get you 1 extra item to the 6 that are already in here. So that would make your first box having 7 items in there total. And if you do month to month, it's $35 a month. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $199. And if you do 12 months, it's $378. If you prepay for the whole entire year, your 12th box is completely free. Now, this particular month, they were doing, it said that they were going to be doing a playoff on some popular New Year's resolutions. I'm not sure how that matches with some of those products in there, but I'm sure they have a reason for it. This box was sent to me for review, you guys. So thank you so much, Good Vibe Scribe, for sending me your box to review and to show my subscribers. I greatly do appreciate that. This month is not my favorite, only because the earrings are throwing me off. I don't think everybody is going to like wearing an earring that is a world on it. The body wipe, I feel, shouldn't be in a January box when it's really cold. I feel like that should be more in a summer box when you might need a little freshening up if you go to the gym, if you're into sports or that kind of thing. The water bottle is really good. The shower steamers would be good. Pretty much anybody can use the dish towel. So, I mean, half of the items I do see and I think belong in the box, and so a few of them I'm just a little questioning a little bit. But again, I'm always going to be honest with you guys. That's just my own personal opinion. You might have a different opinion of the box. You might love every single item. You might hate every single item. Like, everybody is different in that way for a reason. So this is just my own opinion and what I'm seeing while I'm showing you guys. So again, thank you so much, Good Vibe Scribe, for sending me your box. And yeah, so if you do want to check it out, I will link them down below. She Crafty 1 will get you a free item in your box if you choose to sign up. Again, it's $35 per month, and you get normally, I think 5 to 6 items is what they put in there. They do go to like different smaller businesses to help promote smaller businesses. So you're not gonna find like name brand, top of the line style things, but you are helping support smaller businesses with their box. So I do appreciate that and the story behind it. So that is everything that I have for you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this box? Are you on the same fence with me? Are you feeling differently about some of the items? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.